Hi guys, welcome to my newly built system. This is VirtualBox. I've just built Awesome, and Awesome ISO is the new number for March 220301. So if you build your own ISOs today, ArcoLinuxB.com, right, building, then you get this number. Nick Petrov, one of our core members who left us quite some time ago, gave me a tip this morning. Say, Eric, I got rid of those icons if you want it. And yes, we do want it, like this one. This is a menu that Awesome gives you. Escape, right mouse click, that's it, right mouse click on the desktop. And some of these icons really are, well, out of place. But that said, I've never used it, right? Ctrl-Alt-T, the Super Shift Enter, it's all there, it's in my fingers, all these keyboard shortcuts, and there is the Super Shift T. But it is for sure an improvement if these icons wouldn't be there. So we've implemented the update, which means update. And ArcoLinux Awesome Git is jumping from version 21 to 22. A new year, and the configuration is in Skell. Remember, what is Skell? ArcoLinux.com, Skell. There's an article about Skell, and typing Skell has consequences. In my case, the menu is gone. Super Shift R. I need to reload everything. This is a tiling window manager. It's different. Tiling window manager. You need to reload it. Right mouse click. Much better, right? So that's the improvement. Thank you, Nick, and enjoy. Cheers.